Ever feel like you're navigating a digital maze, especially when it comes to something as crucial as payroll? You know, that feeling when you're staring at your screen, thinking, I swear I saw it yesterday, but now, where did it go? Specifically, that elusive payroll settings in QuickBooks Online. It's like it plays hide and seek, right? You're not alone. I've been there. We've all been there. Think about it. Payroll isn't just about paying people. It's about compliance, accuracy, and keeping your team happy. It's the backbone of your business's financial health. And when those settings go missing, or feel like they're buried under layers of menus, it can throw everything off. Imagine you need to adjust tax withholdings or update employee payment information, or even just check your payroll schedule. You're scrambling, time is ticking, and you just want to find that one simple setting. The pressure builds. We've all had those moments where we're staring at the QuickBooks Online dashboard, clicking through menus, and feeling that rising sense of frustration. You've got a deadline, employees are waiting for their paychecks, and you just need to make a quick change. But the payroll settings seem to have vanished into thin air. Now, why does this happen? Well, QuickBooks Online is powerful, but it's also complex. Updates happen, menus change, and sometimes things just get relocated. And let's be honest, who has time to keep up with every single tweak? You're running a business, not navigating a digital labyrinth. But here's the thing. Finding those settings shouldn't feel like a treasure hunt. It should be quick, easy, and intuitive. Because when you can manage your payroll efficiently, you can focus on what really matters: growing your business. So, let's cut through the confusion and get straight to the point. Where are those elusive payroll settings in QuickBooks Online? First, let's clarify something important. The exact location and appearance of the payroll settings can vary slightly depending on your QuickBooks Online subscription and the specific payroll service you're using. QuickBooks Online offers different payroll options, including QuickBooks Online Payroll Core, Premium, and Elite. Each version has slightly different features and navigation. However, the core principle remains the same. We're looking for the section that allows you to manage the fundamental aspects of your payroll, such as tax settings, payment schedules, employee information, and general preferences. Now, let's dive into the most common location. Typically, you'll find the payroll settings within the payroll section of your QuickBooks Online navigation menu. To get there, log into your QuickBooks Online account. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see the navigation menu. Look for the Payroll tab. Click on it. Once you're in the payroll section, the specific location of the settings can vary. Here's a breakdown of the most common paths. Directly within the Payroll tab, in some versions, you'll find a Settings or Payroll Settings option directly within the drop-down menu that appears when you click Payroll. This is the most straightforward approach. Look for any options that mention Settings, Preferences, or Payroll Setup. Within the Employees section, sometimes, the payroll settings are nested within the Employees section. Click on Employees in the Payroll navigation menu. You might find a Payroll Settings or Payroll Setup option within this section. This is because many payroll settings are directly related to employee information and payment details. The gear icon. Don't forget the trusty gear icon in the upper right-hand corner of your QuickBooks Online screen. This icon is your gateway to many settings and preferences within QuickBooks. Click on the gear icon. Look for a Payroll Settings option within the drop-down menu. It might be under Payroll Settings or within Account and Settings. This is a less direct route, but it's worth checking if you can't find the settings elsewhere. Payroll Tax Settings. If you are searching for specific tax information, you may need to look for a Payroll Tax section. This is often within the Payroll tab or within the Employee tab. Payroll Setup. If you are a new user or are setting up payroll for the first time, look for a Payroll Setup option. This will walk you through the process of configuring your payroll settings. Let's break down some specific settings you'll typically find within the Payroll Settings section. Tax Settings. This is where you'll manage your federal, state, and local tax withholdings. You can update your tax rates, file tax forms, and manage your tax payments. Accuracy is crucial here, so double-check your settings. Payment Schedules. This section allows you to set your payroll frequency, e.g., weekly, bi-weekly, monthly. You can also specify pay dates and manage your payment methods, e.g., direct deposit, checks. Employee information. This is where you'll manage your employees' personal and payment details, such as their names, addresses, social security numbers, and bank account information. You can also set up employee deductions and contributions. General preferences. This section includes various payroll settings, such as pay stub preferences, default payment methods, and notification settings. You can customize these settings to fit your business's needs. Direct deposit. Setting up direct deposit allows you to pay employees electronically. This is often in the payroll settings or within the employee section. Workers' compensation. If your business requires workers' compensation, you will be able to set this up within the payroll settings. Ultimately, mastering your QuickBooks online payroll settings empowers you to take control of your business's financial health. You are able to ensure all your employees are paid correctly and that all taxes are paid on time. This is critical for any business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.